Hi there, welcome to my Kartra 30-day free trial video, where I'll not only show you how to get hold of a free trial, but how you can get your hands on my 12K bonus stack that helps you solve the #1 issue all online businesses have. Now if we head over to Kartra plans and pricing, you will see on the left hand side where you can get started with your 30-day free trial, which helps you build your courses, generate leads, engage with your audience, and drive sales. And you can test this out for 30 days. Now, what do you get with this 30-day free trial? You get 0% transaction fee. You get to build your course, you get to create landing pages, generate leads, send up to 1,000 emails, and make a sale. You also get a one-on-one onboarding call and full access to Kartra support. Now, why should you grab a free trial? Well, as you can see, you've got multiple plans. You've got a starter plan, you've got a growth plan, you have a professional plan, and you have an enterprise plan. With the free trial, it gives you the time to build up your courses, build up your landing pages, really test the system out. So when it comes to deciding which plan makes sense for you, you have a clearer idea. So some of you might just need the starter plan. Some of you might realize you would need the growth plan or the professional plan. Whatever it is, you have 30 days to figure it out and test the system to understand exactly what makes sense. So I would highly recommend you grab a 30-day free trial before committing, unless you already have an idea of the plan that makes the most sense for you. Now, if you want to get started with the 30-day free trial, all you have to do is go to evanslutu.com/Kartra or go to the link below and click that to get full access to a Kartra free trial and access to my 12K bonus stack. But before you go and do that, I want to show you exactly what you will get if you decide to have a free trial of Kartra today using my link. If you decide to sign up for Kartra today, you will get access to my 12K bonus stack. Now, the first part of this 12K bonus stack is you will have access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, this is going to help you place your products and services on the front page of Google in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 in under 24 hours, meaning that there is no longer a need for paid ads. You will be able to get in front of your target audience by finding them on the 2 biggest search engines in the world, which is YouTube and Google. This means you no longer have to spend money on ads, lose your ad accounts, or compete with people that have a much larger budget than you. You can place your products and services right in front of your ideal customer for free, helping you generate sales and commissions. Next, you will have access to this 12K bonus license, meaning you can give away this very 12K bonus license to your audience, to your email list, to your course members, to your membership site members for free, because you will have the license to do so. This will help you provide more value for your audience, making whatever offer you have more appealing. Next, I will give you lifetime weekly coaching access to my mentor, Paul Murphy, where he will show you how to build these funnels, how to drive targeted traffic to your offers, and where you can ask him any question you would like. Paul Murphy charges $15,000 plus just for a consultation call. So this means you have weekly access to a super affiliate that can help you supercharge your business. So definitely take advantage of this if you can, and ask as many questions as you can to help supercharge your business. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is going to help you get your first listings on Google and YouTube, which is definitely going to help boost your confidence and make you more keen to implement this very strategy into your affiliate campaigns, into your businesses, into your membership sites, into your courses. So definitely go ahead and grab a hold of this 12K bonus stack, because this will definitely help you solve the #1 problem most online businesses have, and that is traffic. So that means you'll get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, an exclusive 12K bonus to give away, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. But I want to sweeten the pot, and I want to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, this is a course that's going to show you how to build a strong email list using a secret traffic source. And not only that, you'll be able to use AI, ChatGPT, to help you streamline the business. Now, this is very newbie friendly, so do not be intimidated by email marketing. It's one of the most important parts of any online business. And best of all, you will not need any prior experience. You will have an over-the-shoulder look at how the whole system works, making it very easy for you to implement and execute. Now, this was $197, but if you sign up for Kartra with my link below, you will get this for free as my token of appreciation for using my affiliate link to grab a 30-day free trial of Kartra. So that means you will get the 24 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, you will get a license to give this bonus stack away, and you will get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, and you'll get hold of List Prodigy. But I want to sweeten the deal, and I want to give you access to 90 make money online courses. Now here you will find courses on affiliate marketing, video marketing, Bitcoin and the blockchain, LinkedIn marketing, high ticket sales, and so much more. With this bonus, you can literally go ahead and either improve your online skills or make money online skills, or you can use this as inspiration for your courses, for your membership sites, so that you can add more value to your audience based on the information you've learned in these 90 make money online courses. So here's a quick recap. You're going to get the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor. You're going to get a license to give away this 12K bonus stack. You are also going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Then you're going to get access to List Prodigy, which is going to help you literally improve your open rates, build a strong email list, and do this while using AI. And then you're going to get access to 90 make money online courses. And all you have to do is click the link below or go to evanslutu.com/Kartra, and you will land on this page where you'll enter your first name, your email. You'll click both of these buttons so that you can receive the email that gives you access to the bonus, and press enter. You'll be taken directly to Kartra pricing plans, where you'll sign up for your free trial, fill in your names, your emails, and all the other information. Then you will get an email giving you access to all the bonuses spoken about in this video. Now, if you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.